Okay, greetings. This is the brake bug. We're working on an RX 300 Lexus, the rear brake pads. As you know, I start all my videos with the car jacked up and the tire off. If you can't do that much, don't attempt to do your own brakes. I'm going to use a 12mm and take this bolt off the bottom. I'm using a special socket because the bolt was stripped a little bit. It was rounded off, so I used my extractor kit to kind of get it off. I'll glue it back on. Okay, and this pulls up, and this old pad comes out. New pads go in. I usually slide that, let it rest right there. Put that outer pad in. Okay. Now we're gonna retract the piston. We use the old brake pad and a C-clamp. And we're going to push the piston back using the C-clamp and the old brake pad. Okay, here we go. Okay, feel it going back. Feel something going back. Oop, ain't doing nothing. See now. Okay, here we go. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, make sure that's on. Okay, so right there. Caliper down, pistons back in. I'm gonna start this thing by hand. And then give it a little, just a little damage. Let's see, 12 will get on it. It will. Okay, then we're gonna start the car up, step on the brake 3 to 5 times to get pressure, and have a good day. Thank you, see you in the next brake job.